It's a historic gathering of the bar and the bench from across Nigeria as the Gombe State branch of the Nigerian Bar Association, under the leadership of Barrister Al-Hassan Muazu, unveils its 2026 Law Week opening lecture at the Gombe International Conference Center. While underscoring the cordial working relationship between the Gombe State government and the legal community, the Deputy Governor enjoins members of the bar and the bench to place professionalism and the cause of justice on the highest pedestal.
The President of the Nigerian Bar Association, the keynote speaker, the CJ of Gombe State, and what I said are virtually wanting. The need for improved service delivery in the judiciary. But I want to appeal to you journalists, that it's not just the judiciary that are charged. It's not just lawyers. Everybody must do what he can do. Nobody can do anything alone. You need partnership.
In separate speeches, the NBA president, Mr. Alpha Mosigwe, and the keynote speaker, Dele Adeshina, share the same vein on the need for far-reaching structural and attitudinal reforms.
We have to work to ensure that we do away with delays in administration of justice, we do away with the perception of corruption, we do away with putting judicial processes to the wrong use, we do away with abusing judicial processes, and just like His Excellency said, going to court to try. If there is no case to take to court, don't go. It's not a game of chance. It's not a game of trial and error. It has to be such as to give confidence to the people so that we will not be accused of inducing the court, misleading them, or making them make mistakes.
People take their decisions and do what they are expected to do fairly and speedily. The confidence will come back. The trust will come back. And that is why some of us are talking the way we are talking. When people say the judiciary is corrupt, the judiciary is there, I say that is an unacceptable generalization. If you have 20 people and 1 or 2 of them is bad, you don't judge the standard of the 20 with only 2. Yeah. So there's also a need to educate the masses.
Mr. Adeshina also advocates the creation of more courts to handle cases accumulating on a daily basis.
There has to be a federalization of our judiciary. Until the present president of the Court of Appeal, Judge, got there, we had about 16. There was the time we had 16 courts. Yes. Although it's back to 20 now. Yes. You get my point? Yes. So the Constitution itself has placed the limitation on how fast we can run. But run, we must do.
Highlighting emerging innovations designed to minimize errors and improve efficiency in legal practice, the Gombe State branch of the Nigerian Bar Association says its members are embracing modern trends and technological advancements in the profession.
The use of technology, especially the practice direction that my Lord the Honorable CJ, have already put in place, that, anticipate the future technology of AI and so many other technologies that are in use now in the justice sector. It will go a long way in minimizing some of the, conflicting decisions, conflicting rulings, and conflicting, opinions, legal opinions as to how a legal principle will be settled.
We talk about reformation, we talk about judicial independence, we talk about legislative oversight, because we want a complete rejuvenation of the judicial system. Now, when you go to courts, we see the laws, we hear the laws, we write the laws, but they remain just on a paper. We want the law, the reformations to be reality.
With the milestones recorded during the just concluded Law Week, organizers say the event has elevated the profile of the Gombe NBA branch to a global stage, strengthened professional collaboration, and reinforced the commitment of legal practitioners to justice sector reforms and national development.